also, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this one will be a short one. I found a cool song here from Mayday Parade. What a cool name of a group. I don't know if it's a group or a single artist. Anyway, Mayday Parade, and this song is called Thunder. So we have only 3 chords that goes round and round through the entire song with one strumming pattern. That is great. Let's start with the capo here on the 4th fret, and the chords we need are E, F sharp minor, and D. So E is played like that. Open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be F sharp minor. So a bar is needed here on the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord will be D. So that is open D, second G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Yeah, like I said, you have these 3 chords round and round, never ends. And we have one strumming pattern. You will handle the chords with this strumming. So if we look at the E, since that is the first chord, and we'll play one round of the strumming, it sounds like this. Okay, so that is basically 8 downs, but we have a certain rhythm here. So the easiest thing here is to count to 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That will make the sum of 8. And why? Because we want to emphasize certain downs. So we want to emphasize all the ones. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so how do we emphasize? I do it in this way, that I do a full downstroke on the ones. So the ones I want to emphasize, every down on 1, and the rest I just chew a little bit more on the bass strings only. So slowly it will be like this. So there you have the rhythm. It goes a little bit faster, and you're gonna play one strumming round for E, 1 strumming for F sharp minor, and 2 for D. So it goes one round like this. That is one chord progression, and with some tempo it sounds like this, couple of rounds. E, F sharp, D, D. And that pretty much covers Mayday's Parade Thunder. I just want to mention, you have a pre-chorus 2 times in this song. The first time will be on about 58 seconds into the song. There you will play 2 rounds of the same chord progression, but you just play 1 down per chord. So E, F sharp, and D. 2 rounds of that. That's the first spot there in the song. The second one is the second pre-chorus, about 3 minutes and 23 seconds into the song. You have only 1 round of just 1 down per chord. Same chords, otherwise do the strumming, and that will cover Mayday Parade's Thunder. So good luck guys, and play tuned.